to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Two triangles are similar if I'm writing the statement for you as a star. Two triangles are similar. For example, these two triangles will be similar if you can prove that AB by AD, so AB by AD is equals to AC by AE equals to BC by DE. Means if the corresponding ratios of side, how do we say it? If ratio of corresponding sides is equal, then two triangles are similar. And this condition itself is called side, side, side. If you are also able to prove that the three angles, corresponding angles are equal, then also you can say two triangles are similar. Otherwise, this condition. So either you show this or you show that the corresponding angles are equal.
But I said that it corresponds as it's like 3 times smaller.
Okay. What you are saying is they are similar as DE and BC are parallel, and DE is 3 times smaller than its parallel BC, showing what?
Correlation of similar sides in length.
That is wrong explanation. You have to show two things. Either you show that this is true, or you show that all the angles are equal. So see how I'm proving it. This is how you have to give the reasons. Okay. In triangle ABC and ABC and ADE, since DE, sorry, since DE is parallel to BC. So I can say that angle ADE is equals to angle ABC, right? Why? Why these two angles are equal? Then I will give the reason. They are corresponding angles. This is point one. Point two, I can say that angle AED is equals to angle ACB. Again, what is the reason why these two angles are equal? I will say corresponding angle. Okay. And
because they're parallel.
Angle A is equals to angle A. It's a common in both, so they are equal, right? Even if you don't show it, because if two angles are equal, you don't have to prove that the third one is also equal. Third one is supposed to be equal, right? Because the sum is 180 degrees, the third will already be equal. So you will say by angle or angle criterion, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE.
Did I get it wrong because I specifically said DE is smaller than BC when I should have said the whole triangle is 3 times smaller?
Even if you say the whole triangle is, you have to prove it. Why it is 3 times smaller?
Because
How would you
4
prove
times
that?
3 is 12.
Yes, but how would you show that EC is sorry, AE is 1/3 of AC? How will you show that? How will you show that AD is 1/3 of AB?
I don't know.
Yeah, so that is why I'm using angle, angle, angle criteria.